Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular Amazon Wi-Fi systems. If you're in the market for upgrading your Wi-Fi, then this video is for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons like this. If you're looking for whole home coverage, both eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and eero 6 extender offer impressive coverage. The eero Mesh Wi-Fi system covers up to 4,500 square feet, whereas the eero 6 extender extends up to 1,500 square featuring, so if you have a large home, the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system might be a better option for you. Compatibility is crucial when it comes to Wi-Fi systems. Both eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and eero 6 extender work with most major internet service providers, and they're both easy to set up using the eero app. However, the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system also works with Alexa, so you can manage your Wi-Fi access using voice commands. When it comes to performance, both eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and eero 6 extender utilize TrueMesh technology, which reduces drop-offs and dead spots, ensuring reliable and fast Wi-Fi performance. However, the eero 6 extender is a Wi-Fi 6 device, which means it offers faster speeds and can handle more network traffic than the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system. If you need to expand your Wi-Fi coverage in the future, both eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and eero 6 extender offer expandability. However, the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is more versatile as it allows you to add as many eero products as you need, while the eero 6 extender requires an existing eero network. When it comes to price, the eero Mesh Wi-Fi system is more expensive than the eero 6 extender. If you don't need whole home coverage, then the eero 6 extender is an excellent option as it's more affordable. That's it for our comparison of eero Mesh Wi-Fi system and eero 6 extender. Both are great products that offer reliable and fast Wi-Fi performance. Depending on your needs, one might be better suited for you than the other. Please let us know in the comments which product you prefer. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons like this.